This mutton sukka pairs beautifully with idli, chapati, or even a bowl of steaming rice. Heat a pan, add 10 fenugreek seeds along with 1 teaspoon of peppercorn and roast them gently on low flame. Now add 5 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black cumin seeds, 2 teaspoon of sompu and 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Once you taste this mutton sukka, you will fall in love with it and want to make it again and again. Then drop in cloves, bay leaf, cardamom, star anise, lavang, and curry leaves. Roast everything slowly over a low flame until aromatic. Now roast about 25 badgi red chilies with a spoonful of oil on low flame. Now take a pressure cooker and add 2 teaspoons of ghee, letting it melt gently. Add the mutton to the cooker along with the ghee and let it cook gently to absorb the flavor. Now add some fresh garlic, a piece of finely chopped ginger, and 3 green chilies. Then mix everything well. Now add piece of cinnamon and squeeze off a lemon over the mutton to enhance its flavor. Add 1 glass of water to the cooker and mix everything well. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir everything thoroughly and close the cooker. Cook until you hear 4 whistles. Allow the cooker pressure to release naturally before opening. Now heat a pan and add ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add few curry leaves and 1 small chopped onion. Fry the onion until they turn golden brown. Now add around 1 by 4 teaspoon of salt because we already added salt while cooking the mutton. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and stir everything nicely. Add 1 chopped tomato to the pan and mix well. Cook the tomato until it softens and turns smooth. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. Now add the cooked mutton into the pan. Stir gently, allowing the meat to blend with the onion and tomato mixture. Let it cook together for a few minutes so the flavors infuse beautifully. Add around 5 to 6 teaspoons of roasted sukka masala and mix thoroughly, allowing the spices to coat the mutton evenly. The remaining sukka masala powder can be stored in an airtight bottle for up to 2 months. Next, pour in the mutton cooking liquid. This stock, rich with the essence of the meat, will blend into the masala, creating a deep and flavorful gravy. Stir gently to ensure the pieces and liquid combine smoothly. Now add the freshly roasted coconut into the pan. Stir it well. Our mutton sukka is now beautifully prepared and ready to serve. The tender pieces of mutton infused with roasted coconut and aromatic spices create a dish that is rich, flavorful, and deeply satisfying. Serve it hot and enjoy this traditional mutton sukka with your family, sharing both its taste and the joy it brings to the table.